Hey guys, Keith here, back with another video. In the last video we made this shelf and hung some tools, which we lost half the footage for, so hopefully in this one we're not going to make that mistake again. Technical difficulties, not much you can do about it. In this one we're going to hopefully clean up a little bit more of this bench and deal with this makeshift drawer I have here. It's made of 2x4s. Not the best way to do it, but that's what I have. Obviously nothing in here, so what we're going to use is some MDF that I've picked up. You can get this stuff at any flooring place. They'll basically give it away for free. It comes on pallets of laminate, and it's stacked in between the stacks. So we're going to use that as a base for our drawer, and we can organize some more of this stuff that's left on the bench because we have nowhere else to put it. Hope you enjoy. Let's do it. Okay guys, we got the drawer bottom put in. Now we're going to organize or see what we can fit into this drawer and get one step closer to being spotless. See how it goes. making great progress. We have this, we have quite a few rolls of tape here that we need to keep them accessible and some way to, get them quickly. And I have a piece of dowel kicking around right here. I think it's around 1/2 inch size, and I've got they're 1/2 inch PEX or copper support brackets that we're going to put up here and mount somewhere under here, and it should give us a pretty useful support for this tape and have relatively easy access to it. It's not going to be super convenient, but at least it's stored up and away and out, off the counter, which is our goal here. Okay, let's put that up now. Alright guys, we made the tape holder and we put a couple more items away from the workbench, and it is looking fantastic. It's pretty clean, I have to say. I think we might be getting pretty close to being able to make something finally. We still have this area, not great, but we'll deal with that later, I think. For the time being, I think we need to make some kind of better way to hold this camera so that I can actually work in this area a bit better. And I think that's what the next video is going to be. So if you want to see that, tune in for the next one. Thanks for watching this one. If you like it, hit the like button. And if you want to see more, subscribe and get a notification when a new video goes up. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.